Imagine waking up tomorrow morning to find there's no fuel at the gas station. Factories are shut down, planes aren't flying, the stock market has crashed. This is not a movie plot. If just one 33-kilometer-wide waterway were to close, this could become reality for the entire world. That place is called the Strait of Hormuz. The Strait of Hormuz is a narrow maritime passage located at the junction of the Persian Gulf and the Gulf of Oman. On one side lies Iran, and on the other side, Oman and the United Arab Emirates. On a map, it looks incredibly small, but this tiny passage is the centerpiece of the world's energy geopolitics. Every single day, approximately 20% of the world's total oil supply passes through this route. In numbers, that's roughly 17 to 20 million barrels of oil every day. In simple terms, out of every 5 liters of oil on Earth, 1 liter comes through this passage. Why is it so important? The highway of oil Saudi Arabia, Iraq, Iran, Kuwait, UAE, and Qatar, the only maritime export route for the oil and gas of all these nations is Hormuz. Alternative routes exist, but they are costly and have limited capacity. The primary route for LNG gas. Qatar is one of the world's largest exporters of liquefied natural gas, or LNG. Europe, Japan, South Korea, India, all of them depend on this gas, and that gas comes through Hormuz, the lifeline of Asia's economy. China, Japan, India, South Korea, Asia's major economies import a massive portion of their oil through this route. If Hormuz were closed, industrial production across Asia would grind to a halt. Geopolitical tensions. Hormuz is not just a trade route, it is a geopolitical weapon. Iran has repeatedly threatened that in response to Western sanctions, it would shut down the Strait of Hormuz. In 2019, multiple oil tankers in this region were attacked. Whenever tensions rise, global oil prices spike immediately. This is precisely why the United States maintains a powerful naval presence in the Persian Gulf. The U.S. Fifth Fleet is headquartered in Bahrain, right next to this strait. That is no coincidence. That is strategy. Are there any alternatives? The question arises, is there no alternative to Hormuz? There is, but it's limited. The question arises, is there no alternative to Hormuz? There is, but it's limited. Saudi Arabia's pipeline. It extends to the Red Sea, but cannot meet the full demand on its own. The truth is, there is no complete alternative to Hormuz, and that is precisely what makes this strait so powerful. Conclusion. The Strait of Hormuz is not merely a geographical location, it is the nerve center of the world's economy, politics, and security. As long as the world remains dependent on oil and gas, this 33-kilometer-wide passage will remain at the center of global attention. The next time you fill up at a gas station, remember, behind that fuel lies the story of a small but extraordinarily important waterway, the story of the Strait of Hormuz. If you enjoyed our video, please give it a like and share it with others so they can watch it too. Your support really means a lot to us. For more informative and exciting videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and stay connected with us.